I don't know if y'all can see this. I really don't know what's going on. But there's like a million birds out here, out of nowhere. They've been out here all day. Like everywhere. All the way down on that tree. They were all just on this pole right here till I came outside. I wonder what they're looking for. Are they confused?
That's crazy,
yeah. Like they everywhere. Wonder what it is. Could be trying to send us all a message. You never know, man. This is December 23rd. Look at that. It's amazing. Amazing doesn't always mean good, but I don't know what it is. But hey, it is what it is. They're everywhere. Let me see how my backyard is looking. Look at this shit. Oh man. Look at that. Let me move back. I don't want their ass shitting on it. I'm talking about hundreds of them, not more. I'm not sure if y'all can hear them. I wonder if they're confused or looking for shelter or something, because they may be headed down to Florida. Who knows? Look at them. They're everywhere. And they keep circling around this area. That is crazy, man. I'm trying to figure out what it is. Alright. They're no longer in my tree back here. But they were all over the place. Since this morning, it's been going on. I guess they are actually still back there. Let's go see. Not as many. There's something going on. The animals know better than us. Trust me. Look at that. I'm gonna be checking here off and on. Look at that shit. What's up, man? How you doing? Trying to get these birds on film.